Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the iPhone 15 black screen of death by following these steps. So let's get started. So if you're having this issue, it's really a couple things that you want to check out. First thing is the charging. Sometimes you maybe think the phone is actually charging, but it's actually not. That's because the cable or the block sometimes can go bad, and you want to try a different charger. You want to make sure when you're charging it, the charge port is not blocked by any dust, dirt, or lint, as it could prevent it, or even a phone case sometimes get in the way of charging if the phone is actually dead. You can also use a wireless charger in that case, so just use a wireless charger, charge at least half hour longer to know that it's actually charged and it's not completely basically dead. So try a different charger, wireless charger, clean out the charge port, make sure there's no dust or dirt, lint blocking that charge port connection. And finally, after that, you're going to follow these steps, which is you're going to quickly press and release volume up, followed by volume down, and then hold down this side button until you can get Apple logo to appear. So all I do is quickly press and release volume up, volume down, and then I hold down this side button on the right hand side. And then once I see the Apple logo, the phone is essentially fixed. This is just forcing it to restart. Will not delete any of your data. And if it doesn't work the very first time, keep on trying it as many times as you need to. Don't give up. This will work as long as the phone is charged. You're going to just keep on following the step to quickly press and release volume up, volume down, and then this big side button until you can get something on the screen. And once you have something on the screen, the phone should turn on. Everything will be there and your phone will be fixed. And I hope this video was helpful, so please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks, and thanks for watching.